Alright, this is part 3 of letting the birds out. I'm going to go and let them out now. Alright, here's the girls. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Love you all. Gonna let the chickens out. Pull this back. Gotta put this here. Alright, then it's time for the chickens to walk out, go into the duck coop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hi, Lisa. Any eggs? No eggs. Any eggs for the chickens? That's the question. Alright. Oh, we did get an egg. We haven't gotten an egg in like a week because the blizzard has made it so cold. Ta-da! Seems like a pretty big egg. I gotta get inside. Oh, but I am gonna give them the ground beef. Horrible out here. It's like 10 degrees, I think. Hands sting. Alright. We got Floyd out of his coop. Good for him. Alright, one sec. I'm gonna go back out there because I've warmed up. Floyd has gone back into his... Oh! He's now there, but he was up there, which is good for him. Alright. Oh, that's pretty solid. Oh. Alright, time for me to give the girls this. Right. They need to jump, of course. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Dang! Alright, I'm gonna walk this over to the girls now. Alright, girls, I'm slowly scooching in. Whew. Alright. Let me just open this bag up. Alright, I opened it up. It smells amazing. Here it is for the birds. Voila. Beautiful. Oh, they're all doing a shake. Adorable. Alright. See you all later. Bye-bye, guys. If you guys subscribe and comment what I should give them, then I'll feed it to them. First of all, they have to eat it and survive.